Have you ever wondered why the moon takes on a reddish hue during a lunar eclipse? Well, the mystery is deeply rooted in the cosmic dance that plays out between the sun, the earth, and the moon. Picture this. During a lunar eclipse, the earth positions itself directly between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow that engulfs the moon in darkness. But that's only half the story. While the earth's shadow, known as the umbra, is responsible for the moon's darkening, it's the unique play of light that bestows upon the moon its eerie red tint. This happens due to a phenomenon known as atmospheric refraction. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it bends and scatters, painting the moon with the refracted red light. So, the next time you see a lunar eclipse, know that it's a cosmic game of shadows, with the Earth casting its own shadow on the moon. Now that we understand the science, what distinguishes a lunar eclipse from any other night? A lunar eclipse isn't just your average full moon. It only occurs when the sun, earth, and moon align perfectly in a straight line. This celestial alignment is a rare beauty, a dance of shadows and light in the vast cosmic ballroom. The spectacle unfolds in stages. The first is the penumbral phase, where the moon enters the earth's outer shadow, often going unnoticed due to its subtle nature. Following this is the partial eclipse, where the moon begins to darken noticeably as it enters the earth's inner shadow. The grand finale is the total eclipse, where the moon is entirely engulfed in shadow, bathing in a reddish hue often referred to as a blood moon. Unlike their solar counterparts, lunar eclipses are safe to observe with the naked eye and can be witnessed from anywhere on Earth's night side. A lunar eclipse is not just an event. It's a spectacle that nature has been putting on for billions of years. 2024 is gearing up to present us with an incredible lunar eclipse, but what can we expect? Well, this year's lunar eclipse is set to be a spectacular show. It's anticipated to occur in the early hours of the morning when the moon is high in the sky, providing a perfect viewing opportunity for night owls and early risers alike. Visibility should be excellent across many parts of the world, weather permitting, of course. Now, let's talk about the color and brightness of the eclipse. These can vary greatly and are influenced by the amount of dust and clouds in the Earth's atmosphere. A clear night sky could result in a bright coppery red eclipse, while a cloudy or dusty atmosphere might give us a darker, more subdued spectacle. Regardless of the color, the lunar eclipse of 2024 is promising to be a breathtaking display of cosmic ballet, a beautiful dance choreographed by the laws of physics and celestial mechanics. So, mark your calendars for this celestial event, a testament to the beautiful synchrony of our universe.